Okay, let's take a look at tutorial 4, question 5. I haven't written an answer for this one yet, so it might involve some thinking as we go along. So on the 1st of July 2008, a company enters a forward contract to buy 10 million US dollars on this date. And then on the 1st of September 2018, it enters into a forward contract to sell $10 million US on this date. Describe the payoff for this strategy. Okay, so my first feeling on this question, there's too many dates flying around, so I'm going to build a timeline. Okay, so let's deal with the first date, the 1st of July, I should put the year on there, 2018. Company enters a forward contract to buy 10 million US dollars. Okay, so there's a long position and on this contract, and the strike price, so enters contract for 10 million US. Okay, and that's for the 1st of January. So the company enters contract to buy this on the 1st of January. So here can be the 1st of January 2019. We have the value of the US dollar at time T, big T. I think I'll call this USD. So that could be the asset, the US dollar. T is the time to expiring. Okay, whatever that is, 6 months, I think. Yep. Okay, so next sentence, on the 1st of September, it enters into a forward contract to sell. So we have a short position in 2 months. So roughly by here, 1st of September 2018, there's a short position. And we're looking to sell 10 million. So I'll call this contract 2, and this is from T, little t to big T, and the strike is the same as the first contract, 10 million. Describe the payoff strategy. Right, I think I've got all those numbers there. So let's have a go with building the payoff strategy. So the payoff on the first contract. So the first contract is a long position. I call this as a heading. So the payoff is going to be, because we're long, it's what the asset is worth at time T, take away the theoretical value. That could be a profit, that could be a loss. And on the second contract, okay, so we're short on this one. So we receive the value K, the strike, 10 million, and we have to go to the market and cover our position, which is the value of the asset at time T. Okay, so they're both the payoffs. So this strategy, payoff, the overall strategy, payoff. Well, we just add them together and we see that the US dollar time T is just going to cancel out. So the payoff is going to be the value of the second future, take away the value of the first future, and beware of the time differences here. The second future is from time T up to big T, and the first future from 0 to the expiry big T. So there you go. The payoff strategy, by my calculation, is given as follows.